Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the third question in exercise 4.2. Now let us look at the problem first. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So let us define the variables first. Let the two numbers be x and y. Okay, so I've defined one number to be x and another number to be y. So the first statement was the sum of the two numbers is 27. So x plus y is equal to 27 and the product of the two numbers is 182. So xy is equal to 182. Let us see how I rearrange this linear equation. So I can say x is equal to 27 minus y. So this value of x, I'm going to put this in this particular expression. So wherever x comes, I'm going to use the expression 27 minus y into y is equal to 182. Now we can make this a quadratic equation. So 27y minus y squared is equal to 182. So on reorganization, y squared minus 27y plus 182 is equal to 0. Now let us split the middle term. 182, I need the product and the sum has to be 27. So it is y squared minus 14y minus 13y plus 182 is equal to 0. So let's take the common term. Y into y minus 14 minus 13 into y minus 14 is equal to 0. So y minus 14 into y minus 13 is equal to 0. So you have two possibilities for y is equal to 14 or 13. So if y is equal to 13, then x is equal to 14. So the two numbers are going to be 13, 14. We don't need to know the orders. So you can find off the answer as the numbers are 13, 14. There need not be any cases because we don't need to know which order the numbers are necessarily taken. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.